What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok to massively grow your YouTube channel. In the past 28 days, I was able to grow my channel by an extra 236 YouTube subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. I'm going to show you proof. And I'm going to show you how to massively use TikTok to grow your channel. But before we get started, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos teaching people how to make money online, but also growing your YouTube channel, your brand. If you are interested in anything like that, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll be coming out with a ton of content in the future. I post almost daily. So let's get started. All right. So how do we use TikTok to grow on YouTube? Okay, so it's not that hard. I think people overthink it, but I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and how you can leverage the same thing for your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what type of channel you have, as long as you're following these methods, you can definitely do this, okay? So let me show you some of my stats, okay, just real quick. So I took the screenshot here, and basically in the last 28 days, let me see if I can pull this up. I've had over 10,000 profile views. Okay, so that's going to be important because I'm going to show you exactly how I got my 236 subscribers on YouTube. Okay, all right. So let me show you some quick numbers here. So in the last 7 days, I'm getting a ton of views on my videos. Like, I don't even have that many followers, only about 3,000 followers. But look at this. In the last 7 days, 80,000 views on this one, 14,000 views on this one. I mean, the thing is that the TikTok algorithm is just crushing it right now. Like, it's so easy to throw up a video and get a ton of views because the algorithm is not really set yet. So what you can do is leverage TikTok and funnel them into your YouTube channel. Okay, and that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm gonna show you how to do that in a little bit. But let me just keep going here. So let me show you how I got those 236 subscribers. Okay, so I took this survey here, guys, like 3 days ago, saying, hey, so super curious to know, how did you find out about my channel? So 33% said they found me through TikTok. Okay, I was like, cool. So now I like to know numbers. That's just me, right? So I was like, okay, so out of the last 28 days, how many of those came from TikTok? So I kind of did some calculations here. So you can see in the last 28 days, I have 716 subscribers. So 33% of that is 236 subscribers. Let me show you how the numbers worked, okay? So I had 10,000 profile views, correct? Remember, I showed you that screenshot here. So in the last 28 days, I had 10,000 profile views, okay? Meaning people actually click through to my profile on TikTok. And let me show you what my profile looks like. This is my profile here. So they can literally click on my YouTube channel. Okay, and that's what that means. So 10,000 people actually went to my profile. That's what the 10,000 means. Okay, so let me show you the numbers. So out of 10,000 people, about 25% of those people clicked through my YouTube channel. They clicked the button. So that gives me about 25. And this should be 25. There you go. So about 10,000 times 0.25, which is about 2,500, actually clicked to my YouTube channel, right? Just based on that. So 10% of those actually subscribed to my channel. So that's about 250, which is close to the 33%. So this is really about probably about 8 to 9% if you really want to get deep. But I was just trying to make the numbers easier for you guys. But anyways, so in the last 28 days, if we have 716 YouTube subscribers and 33% came from TikTok, that's how I got that 236 subscribers. Okay, but that's the thing, guys. That's insane because I'm using another distribution to get people to my YouTube channel. Now I know what you're asking. So how did you do it? Okay, let me show you. So what I did was I created a ton of videos, kind of teasing them to go to my channel. Okay, a lot of value videos, but teasing them to go to my channel. So for example, let me see if I can pull up one of the videos here. Let's see. So I can pull this one up here. Here we go. So this is a video I made, right? So basically what I do is I'm basically filming my thumbnail, guys. I'm literally just filming my thumbnail saying, PayPal money now, which is one of my YouTube videos, okay? Go see my YouTube training. And I literally didn't even talk in this video. In this case, I'm just showing people, hey, I'm going to show you this training. Go to my YouTube video, right? And I usually try to get them to go to my profile. And people know what to do on TikTok for the most part, right? You can tell them, like on a text, go to my YouTube channel in my profile. You can tell them that, but for the most part, they're going to know. So I wouldn't worry about that too much. But this is literally 10 seconds. Ready? It has a song on there. So you can see what I did there, okay? So I took a video of the thumbnail, right, which I've already created for YouTube, and then what I do is I direct them to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I took a video of my channel, like, so they know where to go, you know, if they want to type it in, or they can go to my profile. So either way, I'm giving them like only one option to find my channel, okay? So that's really all I'm doing on TikTok, and I'm getting some of these videos. I'm getting like 100,000 views, and you know, like I said, a percentage of those will click through. You know, and it's just all a numbers game, right? So the more you post on TikTok, I'm posting like 10 times a day on TikTok, and it literally takes me, so like it'll take me like 10 seconds, as you can see here, and then I basically just post it, and that's it. That's super easy, guys. Let me show you one more example here. This one takes a little bit more time. But basically, you know, I just have a Word document, and then I'm kind of giving someone value on like how to make money online. So for example here.
Okay, ways to make money in part 1. This is specifically for high schoolers and middle schoolers. Pay attention to each step. I used to do this in high school, and I made a ton of cash. So you order 4 boxes of pizza.
So you can see here that I'm going step by step on like how to make money you know, online, right? So this is just basically a Word document that I do. You don't have to do this. Actually, for some reason, the thumbnails do better than these videos, and these ones take longer. But yeah, I just got giving you more ideas on what you can do. Now, this works in any niche, right? Right? So for me, it's make money online. But if you're in the health business or anything else, you can just do quick videos on, hey, you know, five ways to lose weight, right? You can take a picture of your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail, and then say, go to my YouTube channel to watch the whole video. That's a teaser, right? So I do that, and then what you can do is just get people to go to your YouTube channel, click through, and obviously it's a numbers game at that point. The thing you got to realize, okay, with TikTok is the organic reach is crazy right now. So basically what I'm saying is, like, look at these numbers here, okay? Just show you again. This is just 7 days, guys. So, like, this video right here actually had, I think, over 150,000 views in the last like 28 days or something. But what I'm saying, in the last 7 days, all these videos are getting, like, I think I have 500,000 profile video views in the last 28 days, just combined with all my videos. So it's crazy because I'm posting a lot of videos, and some videos, like, they take me like 5 seconds to film, right? And what I'm doing every time is taking them back to my YouTube channel. I'm just funneling them there. That's all I'm doing. Because once I get them to my YouTube channel, I can provide a ton of value, right? So if you're a subscriber on my channel, you would know that I provide a ton of value. I give you guys everything you need to know. I don't sugarcoat anything. I don't throw any fluff in my videos. So if I can get them to my YouTube channel and start watching videos, I know I can hook them because, like I said, I think I have like a pretty good channel as far as value, okay? So if you can get them to your channel, then you just got to have a good video, right? A good hook, a good something, and then they'll subscribe. So those are the numbers, guys. It's very simple what I'm doing. If you want to learn more on TikTok and how I set it up, I actually have 2 videos. I'm actually starting a series here. So if you go to playlist, I have a brand new playlist on TikTok that I just started. So let me see if I can find it here. I just started this series, so let's see if I can find it. Yeah, right here, TikTok for Business. It's basically like how to get your TikTok set up, how to you know, get TikTok followers, how to correctly set up your TikTok, everything, guys. So you know, this is the complete setup here, and then this is my how to get 400,000 views TikTok for Business video. Okay, so both of those videos are kind of like the videos before this video, okay? So it'll kind of help you get started, okay? So I'll link that in the description below as well, okay? So hopefully this video was of value to you guys. I hope that you're able to grow your YouTube channel using TikTok, because TikTok is very powerful. And I know what people are saying, like, well, what if it dies? Well, who cares? I already funneled all those people in the last 28 days. So I'm just going to keep doing it until it does die, okay? Because, you know, right now the attention is in TikTok, right? So I can funnel those people into my brand, and you know, like I said, once I get them to my YouTube channel, then I can really, you know, they can really start understanding who I really am. And same thing for you, right? So that's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand. It's all about a branding thing, and that's what I'm good at is building a brand, okay? And that's what you're doing on TikTok, is building your brand, okay? And then you can, you know, do your selling and telling on YouTube, which is what I do, right? Then, but yeah, so That's it, guys. If you do want to make money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. That is my #1 recommendation on how I make money online. It's basically with affiliate marketing. I sell other people's products, and it's super easy, guys. You don't have to deal with customer service, customer support. You don't have to create a product. You can start as a complete beginner. And but yeah, it's like $7 to start. So if you are interested, click the first link in the description below, and that's basically how I make money online. So anyways, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to this video and let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon.